getting fat by the TV, that's the worst. So desperately I'm yelling, rescue me, cause I'm running out of gas like an SUV. And everybody's saying you're not getting any younger, but I can't settle down, I still got the hunger to get involved. Cause you know I got to pick up the phone, call everybody I know. Don't care where we go or what we do, could be lots of folks or just a few. But I'm tired of waiting, enough debating, so stop delaying, I'm suffocating. And I wanna, I've got to, I need to let it out. You wanna, you got to, come on, let it out. We feel it, you feel it, we better let it out. We got to get it out. Come on and let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Come on, let it out. Einstein. Yeah, I like that. Alright. Dizzy Dustin.
It's the last day of the week and I'm watching the clock tick. I'm dying, left in the cold and frosty. Close up shop, turn the monitor off. Heat it up so hot the thermometer pops.
What?
Time to let loose. Drop the excuse, stop complaining and cut the noose.
Okay.
Take the reins, break the chains.
Yeah.
Time to blow off all the aches and pains. Go 8, beat on your chest like a primate from Southern California all the way to the tri-state. Take a trip on the aviator, letting off steam like your radiator.
I wanna, I've got to, I need to let it out. You wanna, you got to, come on, let it out. We feel it, you feel it, let it out. We better get it out. We got to let it out. Let it out. Everybody, let it out. Let it out. Einstein, let it out. Yeah.
Gotta go walk, gotta let it
Funky man. Yeah. Let it out. Yeah. Keep moving. I hope you feel better, y'all. I do. Get on out of here. Let it out.
Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc?
What's up, hard hoop hoops? Your ma dukes are pot dukes. The 2 scoops are raising in the sun. Brother try to rally up, then dilly dally for some room. Bird pecking, double decking, rubber necking in my tune. Check it out, yo. I smile like Groucho Marx. I make a joke, pokey pokey slide by like egg yolk. Play me like a punk, like the penguin and that joker. Snooping in my biz like Tom and Roxy Roca. Now bust the freaky way. The brothers with the Asian geese make cheese. What? And now we selling records overseas. Holy smoke, oops, your whole plan poofed up. Now you get kicks, enough licks plus cooped up. Cause you catch a quick drop. We're trying to take the slick spots and tick tock around the clock and shock while we lick shots. For goodness sakes, the stakes is high. I'm out.
You out?
ABC ya. Bye.
Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Can we rock? What's up, Doc?
I thought I saw a pudding cat. I did Humpty